my channel and for another Sublimation Sunday video. It's been a while since our last one. I'm excited to do a new one. Today we are going to be sublimating this little storage bin that I got from Walmart. These are perfect to personalize, to make gifts with. As you can see, it is 100% polyester. They have two different kinds at Walmart, so if you go there and try to find one, make sure that the surface fabric is 100% polyester. That way you're not getting this other one. I'm not going to try and pronounce that name. But before we get into the video and sublimating it, my heat press is warming up. I finally got a new heat press. Thank God for that. I want to announce the giveaway winner. I did a giveaway for when I reached 4,000 subscribers, and I had a few people enter the giveaway. I wrote all of the names down here, and I'm just going to pour them into my little cup. Some people got 2 entries because they paid attention and watched the video to the end to know one of the things that I was giving away. So I'm just gonna reach down in here and pull a name out. Good luck to everybody that entered. So the winner of the giveaway is, and I hope I don't mess this name up, Terrible Torres. Can you guys see that? Okay, so Terrible Torres, if you are watching this video, you are the winner of the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. You won a $25 Amazon gift card along with some other things that I'm going to throw in there. So if you're watching, leave a comment down below so that I can contact you with your email, and I will try and tag you, your comment in the video where you entered, so you will know that you won. I'm excited about that. I hope you enjoy your goodies. So let's prep. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this paper off. And this is how the bin is going to set up. I have my image here. And my computer was being a little crazy, so it printed out 2. So I'm thinking I'm going to do, well, I was going to do both sides, but I think I'll just do one and save that for another day. Make sure I've got my image laid down the way I want it. And I'm going to go ahead and tape down the sides. I was finally able to get me some butcher paper. I'm excited to see how that's going to work. I've been doing sublimation for a while now, and I started out using parchment paper, and that worked really well. But I heard that the butcher paper is thicker, and it helps the ink not to bleed on your heat press better if you're using butcher paper. So, and I just picked that roll up from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to pick some up. We're going to move this over to the heat press. It is all warmed up. Alright, we've got it on the heat press. We're just going to let it count down and see how it goes. Alright, let's take this off and see how it turned out. My heat press is 12 by 10, so I don't think it kind of got it all the way up there, but that is okay. If I do one in the future, I'll probably use my larger heat press. And and I love the way that it turned out. This is for a gift for one of my coworkers that's out on medical leave. She's been out for a little while, so I wanted to do something special for her. And what I'm going to do is just fill this with some of the things that I know she likes and wrap it with cello and then deliver it to her. So if you're interested in getting one of these baskets, I found these at Walmart. They were $3.97 plus tax. Be sure that you get one of the light colors, because if you're going to do sublimation, it has to be light. This is kind of a dark gray, but I think it turned out really cute here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I do videos on sublimation, embroidery, any other kind of random crafts, and I do budgeting videos because I am all about finding ways to save money and make extra money. So if that interests you and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on, and terrible tutorials if you are watching. Thank you again for entering my giveaway, and congratulations guys. I will see you in the next one.